The Toyota Corolla 2025 doesn't arrive quietly. It doesn't need to. Its name already echoes through decades of trust, reliability, and global dominance. More than 50 million units sold worldwide have shaped the Corolla into something bigger than just a car. For 2025, Toyota refines that legacy into a sharper, smarter, more emotional machine that feels modern in every possible way while remaining unmistakably Corolla. From the very first glance, the Corolla 2025 communicates confidence. The design is cleaner, more aerodynamic, and unmistakably mature. Toyota has refined every curve, every edge, every surface to reduce drag while enhancing visual presence. The front fascia feels lower and wider, giving the car a planted, sporty stance. The LED headlights are sharper, brighter, and more expressive, flowing seamlessly into the sculpted grille that balances aggression with elegance. This is not a car trying to shout. It is a car that knows exactly what it is. The body lines stretch smoothly from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car stands still. The proportions feel perfectly balanced, whether viewed from the side or the rear. The rear design is clean and purposeful, with sleek LED taillights that emphasize width and stability. Everything looks intentional. Everything looks refined. The Corolla 2025 feels engineered, not styled for attention, and that confidence is its power. Paint quality reaches another level for 2025. Toyota's factory colors look deeper, richer, and more premium under light. The reflections glide across the bodywork like liquid metal, enhancing the car's form without overwhelming it. Whether finished in classic white, metallic silver, deep black, or a bold modern shade, the Corolla holds its elegance effortlessly. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more apparent. The interior of the Toyota Corolla 2025 is no longer just functional. It is thoughtful, comfortable, and quietly sophisticated. Materials feel solid and well finished. Surfaces are soft where they should be, durable where they must be. Every control feels naturally placed, designed to be used without distraction. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused. The digital instrument cluster delivers crisp, high-resolution information with smooth animations and clear visibility. Speed, driving data, safety alerts, and efficiency metrics appear instantly, framed in a layout that feels modern without being overwhelming. At the center, the infotainment display floats seamlessly, offering fast response times, sharp graphics, and intuitive menus. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless connectivity. Navigation feels smooth and accurate. Media controls respond instantly. Voice commands are clearer and smarter. The Corolla 2025 understands that technology should enhance driving, not complicate it. The steering wheel feels perfectly weighted, wrapped in high-quality materials that feel premium in the hands. Buttons are tactile, precise, and thoughtfully arranged. The seats offer excellent support for both short city drives and long highway journeys. The driving position feels natural, upright, and confident, giving the driver full control without fatigue. Space has always been one of Corolla's strengths, and for 2025, it continues to impress. Rear passengers enjoy improved legroom and headroom, making the car comfortable for families and daily commuters alike. The cabin feels open, airy, and well insulated. Road noise is reduced. Wind noise is minimized. The experience feels calm, composed, and refined. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla 2025 delivers reliability with intelligence. The powertrain options are engineered for efficiency, smoothness, and longevity. The refined petrol engine delivers responsive acceleration while maintaining exceptional fuel economy. Power delivery is smooth and predictable, making city driving effortless and highway cruising relaxed. The transmission feels refined, shifting seamlessly to keep the engine in its optimal range. Acceleration feels confident without being aggressive. This is a car designed to work with you, not fight you. Every press of the accelerator is smooth, controlled, and reassuring. Fuel efficiency remains one of Corolla's strongest advantages. The 2025 model pushes efficiency even further, delivering impressive mileage that reduces fuel stops and long-term running costs. This makes the Corolla not just a smart purchase, but a practical long-term companion. Ride quality is where the Corolla truly shines. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, delivering a smooth, stable ride across uneven surfaces. At higher speeds, the car remains composed and planted, inspiring confidence behind the wheel. Steering response feels precise and predictable, allowing easy maneuvering in tight city streets and confident control on open roads. Safety is woven into the Corolla 2025 at every level. Toyota's advanced safety suite surrounds the driver with intelligent protection. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition work silently in the background, ready to assist when needed. These systems don't intrude, they protect. The structure of the vehicle is engineered with high-strength materials designed to absorb and distribute impact energy efficiently. Airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin to provide comprehensive protection. The Corolla 2025 doesn't just meet safety standards. It exceeds expectations. The driving experience feels calm yet engaging. The Corolla doesn't try to pretend it's something it isn't. Instead, it delivers exactly what drivers want most: confidence, comfort, efficiency, and reliability. It feels light on its feet in traffic, stable at speed, and effortless to live with every single day. This is where the Corolla creates its biggest wow moment. It doesn't rely on gimmicks. It doesn't chase trends. It simply delivers excellence where it matters most. Everyday usability. Every mile dependability. Every journey peace of mind. The Toyota Corolla 2025 feels like the perfect balance between tradition and progress. It respects its heritage while embracing modern technology and refined design. It feels premium without being expensive, smart without being complicated, stylish without being flashy. For first-time buyers, it offers confidence. For families, it offers trust. For commuters, it offers efficiency. For long-term owners, it offers reliability that spans years, not seasons. This is why dealers don't struggle to sell Corollas. This is why the name continues to dominate global roads. The Corolla 2025 is not just a car you buy. It is a car you rely on. It becomes part of your routine, your journeys, your life. It starts every morning without hesitation. It carries you through traffic, weather, and time with quiet consistency. In a world of constant change, the Toyota Corolla 2025 stands as proof that evolution doesn't require abandoning what works. It requires refining it, perfecting it, respecting the details. This is not hype. This is heritage refined. This is efficiency elevated. This is reliability perfected.